Many people think a CNC turning machine and a CNC lathe are exactly the same. They are closely related, but they are not always identical. Understanding this difference helps explain how modern machining systems actually work. A CNC turning machine is a computer-controlled machining system designed to produce cylindrical and rotational parts by rotating the workpiece at high speed while a cutting tool moves along controlled linear paths. Instead of relying on manual control, the machine follows programmed instructions that define tool motion, spindle speed, and machining sequence with high precision. The turning process itself is based on a simple principle. The workpiece rotates around a central spindle, while the cutting tool moves linearly along the surface to remove material. This controlled interaction between rotation and linear movement produces shafts, sleeves, threads, and precision cylindrical components used in many industries. Modern CNC and turning machines are more advanced than traditional turning systems because they can operate on multiple axes. Many turning centers include 3, 4, or even 5 axes of motion, allowing them to perform additional operations such as drilling, milling, and tapping within the same setup. This reduces repositioning errors and improves production efficiency. Unlike basic lathes that focus mainly on turning operations, CNC turning centers are designed as flexible machining platforms. They combine spindle rotation, tool indexing, and programmed movement into a coordinated system that supports complex part geometry in a single machining cycle. CNC turning machines are generally divided into 2 main configurations depending on spindle orientation. Horizontal turning centers position the spindle parallel to the machine base and are widely used for shaft-type components and general rotational machining tasks. This layout provides stable chip removal and efficient handling of longer workpieces. Vertical turning centers position the spindle vertically, allowing gravity to assist in stabilizing heavier components during machining. These machines are often used for large diameter parts such as rings, flanges, and heavy structural components that would be difficult to support in a horizontal configuration. The choice between horizontal and vertical turning machines depends on part size, geometry, and production requirements. Each configuration offers advantages in stability, accessibility, and machining flexibility depending on the application. Because CNC turning machines can integrate multiple cutting operations into one system, they play an important role in reducing setup time and improving repeatability in production environments. Instead of moving parts between separate machines, manufacturers can complete several machining steps within a single controlled workflow. A CNC turning machine is therefore not just a rotating spindle with a cutting tool. It is a coordinated machining platform where axis movement, spindle control, and programming logic work together to produce consistent and accurate rotational components across different industries. If you're not following now, you may not find this explanation again.